Good morning. Well, I'd like to just take this chance to let you know on how we can upload our fiscal year 20 performance assessments. So first, we are going to prepare this template, share it with your supervisor, make sure you all understand. Do be aware is that you actually do not need to put these percentages next to each activity. I've done it. I find it helpful to do it, so I'm aware of how I want to spend my time, but you do not need to do it, nor does the system require it. So right now, I know that many of you guys are looking at this, my work plan. So I'm going to show us on one here on sustainability and exit plans and pre-position proposal development growth. Okay. And again, everybody will have the same indicator, a goal, I'd ask, but of course your activities may slightly vary. So, you probably will have develop and implement sustainability exit plan, and then have a second activity, which is, assist a CRS in developing a quality proposal for livelihoods resilience too. So that would be the case with most everyone, but I have got a couple more here. So I'm going to show you how we do this. So when you get onto the system, you're going to find something like this, and you're going to go to this upper right-hand corner, and you're going to hit Create. What Create's going to do is it's going to allow you to take that, make a goal. So what I'm going to do, and I'll show you the first one, is I'm going to take this right now. I'm going to take the goal. I've already agreed to John about this. So I'm going to put that in here. I'm not going to change anything on start and end date. That's fine. I am going to choose, however, to put a percentage there. So you can see I said 20%. So now I'm just going to type in 20% here. And you're now going to see that you have 4 options. You have to catalyze human development outcomes at scale. So this one, this one I often do not use, expand and diversify resource mobilization. So this is a great one that we're going to do for here, mobilize church action to combat global poverty and violence and injustice, and then build a more agile and innovative, impactful organization. So I think many of us were going to put all our activities underneath this, build a more agile, as I look at this, I would say all your others should actually catalyze humanitarian and development outcomes at scale. All right, so for today, I'm going to use this expand and diversify resource mobilization. For all other ones, I suggest that you use catalyze humanitarian and development outcomes at scale. So select that. Because this has to do with growth. Then we're going to click activities. So what I'm going to do in this case here, we're going to take this here. I'm not going to bother changing this right now. Not really need it. And then click done. We're going to add again. I'm going to do it for these 4, and then I'll show you what we do. We're going to take this, develop a capture plan. Great. We're going to do the same here for pre-position. Share this with John. He's okay with these. When I say John's okay with them, he looked at them very quickly, but said yes, he agreed with them. So, and now we're going to put this here. All right. So we now have, this is where we want to go back and just make sure we have that all correct. So as you know, I usually work on 2 screens, but we'll move this over here and confirm that yes, sustainability exit plan, that's correct here. Weight 20%. Again, I don't need to add these percentages. I do like doing that just for my own sake, but you don't need to do it. And the system doesn't require it. In fact, it can't accommodate it. So now we have develop and implement strategies, capture planning, yes, pre-position, yes, and utilization. So there you are. Again, keeping the same dates. I don't think you need to worry about too much on it if this is quarter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you do want to do that, you're welcome to, but I wouldn't say required at this time. And then we're going to do now down here. Now, this is where it gets a little strange. I have tried to do save as draft. The system doesn't seem to recognize it. So what you'll need to do is make sure this is all correct, and then you're going to hit submit. Okay. So that's it. Then what's going to happen is your supervisor is going to receive a notification that you have submitted everything, and that's great. And then they will work with you accordingly. Yeah? They will approve it or come back to you with any comments. Hopefully they won't come back with any comments as you've already done this, but that's the easiest way to move forward. So again, just a short video to let you know how that's going to look like as you guys do your own performance assessments. Thank you.